Good morning. The tree guys are coming today to get this tree off the cottage. I'm gonna go check the propane and see how low we are. I'm out of gas. There's a few things I need to pick up in town anyways. I really don't feel like meal prepping on my camp stove today, so I think I'm just gonna have a takeout day. Get some gas for the chainsaw, get some lunch. Look at all my firewood. And that is just the front of the cottage. The hill that the cabin's on looks so barren now. We've lost 3 trees on that hill. Winter needed to be sent off with an ice storm. The gas station in town isn't open today. They don't have any power. So I heard that there's a gas station open closer to the city. The Chinese place is closed. Big sad. Okay, I got all the goods. 3 jerry's of gas, bar oil, and chainsaw oil for the mix. Definitely have at least a couple more hours of daylight left, but I have to step out of my homesteading fantasy and back into being a working person. I'm gonna pack my lunch for work. I'm gonna take my Chinese food and I'm gonna sit down and watch a movie. My friend is coming to visit this weekend, and I'm sure she's gonna be pleased to hear we will be doing the property cleanup. I have Rachel. We're going to Mech to get some tree plant stuff. I left this too late.
To exchange or return your order, press 2. If you would like to start a warranty claim, please visit our help site at help.marmot.com.
No.
If you'd like to hear the message again, press 1.
No, I want to talk to
speak with our representative, press 0. Our office is now closed. Please use the contact us form available on our website.
I don't think I'm getting a new fly. I think I just have to make one.
You're investing in hydration.
Which I need to do.
I hope it's not too far down. Tell me if it's
Me either.
This?
Okay.
You
Yeah,
can drop
that's
those
definitely
down.
better. Like, it's just so nice. Like, I could definitely get behind this. Boop, beep boop. Okay, Rachel and I were sitting on the dock. Rachel and I were sitting on the porch, and we realized that the dock might be underwater. How am I supposed to do this?
Jack, I can't stand this, and we have to at least clear your walkway.
No, for real.
Like, I will
Tomorrow, I think we
I
should
just
do
don't
this.
want us to fall.
I love that you have like the yellow jacket and everything. Okay, yeah, you were right. It's definitely flooded. Oh my God. Is our dock just floating away? I haven't been down here in a minute.
This is so cute.
I know. I'm gonna be so sad when we don't have this lake.
Are these on here to purposely flood it? That might be a dumb question, but
No, I think it's just to hold it down.
is that the dock I made you swim under for
Yeah.
a Barbie?
Yes,
That might be
dog.
the meanest thing I've ever done.
It was
I'm
terrifying.
so sorry. Wasn't there a spider too?
There was a spider, indeed.
Oh my God. Maybe I should just get up early and chop some mad wood for you.
I really want to chop wood.
Let's chop some
I want to
wood.
get the
Can you get
chainsaw
your- I want
out.
you to take your chainsaw and I'll do the axe. And
Yes.
then together we'll be
Yes.
axe and chainsaw wielding wenches.
I can't believe the birdhouse is still there.
I must have been like. Oh my God.
The line for the clothes hanger is gone.
Go on.
Oh my God, I found it!
What is that?
The clothesline.
I thought for a moment that I was stepping on a power line. And I was like, I'm dead. I'm going to die. Okay, that's better.
We're gonna go do the wood. We're gonna go chop wood.
Steve, le
poisson, Steve. I really don't want to do this today. We're gonna go touch some grass. Look at us.
Look at us.
So I have to mix up gas to put in the chainsaw. It's just this stuff. I'm gonna dump all of this into the 5-liter Jerry and then just fill it up with gas, mix her up, and start cutting some wood.
Sure.
Beautiful. It looks so good. Look, my pile of sticks. This is my pile of sticks. Can probably move down to the big stuff. Wood for days, boys. The campfires are gonna go so hard.
Yeah.
Le Poisson Steve. Steve.
What about this shit?
I really want to get this shit. This shit's bad.